Hi, this is Mrs. Secor, and let's work with those special right triangles. If you could find this page in your notebook, tonight's homework's going to be like this. Okay, here we have a square. All the sides are equal. We see that the hypotenuse of this right triangle is 16. So it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle, right? This is 45 because we've cut that in half. Okay, and the hypotenuse is 16. So if I want to find the side, I need to divide 16 by radical 2. 16 divided by radical 2, I'll have to rationalize the denominator, and I'll end up with 16 radical 2 over 2. Radical 2 times radical 2 is radical 4, which is 2. We can cancel. So the answer is, 8 radical 2. The sides are 8 radical 2. Okay, the next triangle, number 2, is a 30, 60, 90. Right? That would be 30. Okay, and this is the long leg. Now if I divide the long leg by radical 3, I'll get the short leg. So I'll take 4 radical 6 and divide it by radical 3. Rationalize the denominator by multiplying by radical 3 over 3, and I'll end up with 4 radical 18 over 3. That gives me 4, and then 18 can break down to 9 times 2 over 3, or 4 times 3, 3 pops out, radical 2 over 3, which gives me, these could cancel, 4 radical 2. Okay, so the short leg is 4 radical 2, and we double that to get the hypotenuse, which would be 8 radical 2. 2 times 4, and then carry along the radical 2. Okay, the next one, we have to find 4 sides here. Let's do the 45, 45, 90 triangle. If this is 9 radical 2, then the legs must be 9, right? Divide this by radical 2 and you get 9. 9 times radical 2 is the hypotenuse. Okay, good. Halfway done. Now, the hypotenuse is 9 radical 2. So the short leg is half of that. 9 radical 2 divided by 2. Okay, we're done with that one. Now for the long leg, we have to multiply this by radical 3. Okay, so I'll change it to red here. 9 radical 2, let's do it down here. 9 radical 2 over 2 times radical 3. I'll put it over 1. Okay, so multiply out. 9 times 1 is 9. Inners is radical 6. And it's 2 times 1 over 2. Okay, so the answer here is 9 radical 6 over 2. And the last one, number 4. There's one like this on the homework tonight. We need this distance and this length. If I drop in a vertical line here, this becomes a rectangle. I can see that this is 8 because this is 8. This is a right angle. I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. My short leg is 8, so my hypotenuse then is double that short leg, 16. And if I multiply my short leg by radical 3, that'll be the length of the long leg from here to here. And this distance is the same as 5, so this is 5. Okay, so the total distance here, if I add these two, would be 13 radical 3. Can I add that? No, I cannot do that. The answer is 8 radical 3 plus 5. And thank you.